Hey guys, welcome back to Hall of Happened. So the other day I made a video about opening my first ever pack of baseball cards, and for the sake of time in that video, I cut out most of the card opening footage, but I figured some of you might be interested in seeing more of that footage, so here is a mostly uncut version of that video. I hope you enjoy, and make sure to like and subscribe.
Let's just go ahead and open this puppy up. I mean, oh, that's satisfying. Peeling off the plastic off of anything is just seriously like the most satisfying thing you can ever do, I swear. It's cool. Ooh, there we are. And then it looks like there's a little thing on the inside. This is kind of like false advertisement. Do you see how much space there is on those sides? You know what? I thought $30 for this box would be kind of a ripoff, but all things considered, what looks like about 10 cards, or 10 packs of 10 cards, that's pretty good value. It also came with, I think, an ornament, like a little paper ornament of James Wood. That's pretty sweet, actually. I'm into that. I'm not a Nationals fan, but I'm a pretty big James Wood fan. He's a good up-and-coming player. I'm not upset about that at all. So we're starting off with a Roki Sasaki one. That's pretty sick. I'm not upset about that. That's pretty cool. And immediately followed by Shohei Ohtani. What is this, the Dodgers pack? And I looked at the back too. The back card is also a Dodgers player. So this Shohei Ohtani one, that's pretty cool. This one's Mookie Betts. What's up with all the Dodgers? I mean, I'm not complaining, but I mean, if I was a Dodgers fan, this would be jackpot, but I'm not. But look how cool these cards are, though. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got all this like holiday border around it. Some candy canes, some wreath. It's really nice, actually. We got Braves, Ozzy Albies. Reds, Rhett Lauder. Twins, Luke Keeschel. Diamondbacks, Corbin Burns. For the Mets, we got Luis Angel Acuna. And this is interesting. This must be some sort of special card. It's a Lawrence Butler card for the A's, but it's a horizontal card instead of a vertical one. So that's pretty neat. It's got this cool, like, kind of shimmery effect to it. I think it just pops out more because it's the A's, so it's gold, but it looks really cool. Oh, that's a cool card. This has got to be some sort of special edition. It's a Clayton Kershaw one. That's a good pull, I would imagine. Look at that. It's all glittery. It's got like this sort of, I would say, like a snow effect to it. Pretty neat, actually. Not upset about that at all. And I immediately see that I have started with another Shohei Ohtani card. Man, what is with all these Dodgers cards, man? Okay. So, oh, this one was in backwards. The rest of them are facing the right way, but this one was in backwards. Okay. So that's that. Now we'll start from the front. We got a Nolan Arenado card. Pretty cool. A Trey Sweeney Tigers City Connect card. Pretty neat. Anthony Santander Blue Jays. Pretty neat. Ooh, a Mason Miller A's card. This one's got a little trophy on it that says Topps All-Star Rookie. Might be a little bit of a special edition, who knows. Will Warren for the Yankees. Covered his face there. Jazz Chisholm Jr. Jackson Holiday. Dylan Cease. This is like an outdated. This is probably one of the last cards that will show Dylan Cease as a Padre. He just got traded to the Jays. So that's pretty cool. And there's a cat on my shoulder. How you doing? You're interrupting my video. Oh my gosh. We got a Drew Thorpe White Sox. And circle back around to the Shohei Ohtani card. So there you go. Carlos Correa, once again, pre-trade Carlos Correa before he got traded back to the Astros. We got Seiya Suzuki, Hayden Birdsong. Ooh, this is another kind of interesting one. Emmanuel Clase, who just got banned from the NFL for life and might be going to prison. So that's kind of interesting. And finally, my team. I got a player from my team. Oh my goodness. Finally. It's going to be Ryan Bliss. Wow. I'm actually surprised how long it took me to get a Mariner on here. We got Odiel Amador. There you go. Jacob deGrom. Yordan Alvarez. Ooh, and we got another one of those interesting sort of special edition snowy ones. This one is Tomoyuki Sagano for the Orioles. So that looks pretty cool. Nice and snowy, all glittery like that. On to the next pack. In this one, it starts with a Mike Trout with a wreath around his neck, so that's pretty cool. Junior Caminero. Jack Flaherty. Relvis Martinez. There's Framber Valdez, somebody who's probably going to get traded soon. Ooh, and another one of the young Washington Nationals stars. This one's C.J. Abrams. Our second horizontal card. And another National, we got Dylan Cruz. And another Clayton Kershaw. This one's not any kind of special thing, just straight up Clayton Kershaw. We got Kyle Tucker. Ooh, and a Brewer. Another horizontal card. It's Jackson Chourio. Ooh, dropped it. Jackson Chourio. That's it for that pack. More Dodgers. Because, of course, we're starting with Freddie Freeman. Kerry Carpenter. Freddie Peralta. Nathan Uvalde. Wyatt Langford. This is another one of those cards that has a Topps All-Star Rookie. Little decal on it, if you can see it there. Jackenzie Noel. Kumar Rocker. Reese Hines. And I think this would be the last card. Oh, no, it's not. Brenton Doyle. And another one of these snowy, stripy ones, this time for Kyle Tucker. Pretty nice. Look how shimmery. Pretty sweet. Another James Wood. Cade Horton. Sorry. Chandler Simpson. Jose Ramirez. Alec Burleson. Andrew Benintendi. Another Topps All-Star Rookie, Mason Wynn. Hunter Green. Ooh, what was I just saying? There we go. A Julio Rodriguez. There we go. I like that one. Kevin Alcantara. Ooh, whoops. And that's it for this pack. Got Randy Arozarena. Love to see that. And Alex Bregman. Manny Machado in his City Connect. Kobe Mayo also in his City Connect. Brian Reynolds. Jung-Hoo Lee. Nacho Alvarez Jr. Matt Strom. Ooh. Near Rookie of the Year, Jacob Wilson. And another one of these special snowy ones, this time for Roki Sasaki. Anyway, we got Gunnar Henderson, Andrew McCutchen, Jordan Lawler, Mark Vientos, Caden Dana, Juan Soto, Nolan Shanwell. Yet again, another horizontal card. This one's Byron Buxton. Pretty cool. Matt Olson. And can we stop with the frickin' Dodgers, man? Another one of these snowy ones. And it's Blake Snell. How many friggin' Dodgers cards am I gonna get? This is too much, man. This must not know I'm not a Dodgers fan. It seems to think I am. My goodness. All right, we'll start off with David Festa, Drew Romo, Adolis Garcia, Riley Green, Zach Wheeler. It's a pretty cool one to come across. Chris Sale, JT Rail. Oh, my light just turned off. That was weird. JT Rail Muto, PCA. Oh, excuse me. Ooh, I just... Turn on. Why are you turning off? Might be out of battery. Hopefully that doesn't run out before I'm done. We got PCA, and I spoiled it for myself a little bit. There's a very cool card behind here. I think my light's dead. But here's this card. It's a pretty cool one. It's a Reese Hines. I already got a Reese Hines, but this one is a Topps Chrome one this time. That is pretty neat. That's got to be the first special sort of card that we've pulled. And then we got another horizontal card. This one is actually a horizontal and snowy card. So that's pretty neat. This one is Jackson Churio. That might be one of the coolest ones that we've gotten for those little snowy ones. Will Wagner. Vinny Pasquantino. Jarren Duran. Griffin Connie. Ooh, another Mariner. We got Logan Gilbert. That's a good one. I'll hold on to that. Matt Chapman. Luis Robert. Ooh, there we go. Another Mariner. This one's a horizontal Luis Castillo. He was a beast in the playoffs this year. We got Angel Martinez. And I just spoiled it for myself again. There's another pretty neat card here. It doesn't appear to be quite as special as that other one that we got. But it is a shiny blue, snowy one of Ryan Helsley. So that is pretty cool. And that's the last pack. So you know what? I'm pretty happy with what we pulled out of here. Definitely nothing too crazy, but we got a couple of nice cards. A couple of Mariners cards, which I'm happy with. And yeah, so...